Okay, I was asked to provide some advice on how to select the proper formula to use when you're calculating an interval estimate, a confidence interval estimate for the mean. And it comes down to the standard deviation. If you know the population standard deviation, or if you're given the population standard deviation in the problem, then you select the formula that involves the z-value. Now, in actual practice, the population standard deviation would be considered to be known if you've worked with this population a lot of times historically, and the standard deviation that's calculated tends to be consistently the same value or a similar value. But in the problems that were given in the test, in the textbook, they'll say the population standard deviation or the standard deviation is known to be whatever. In that case, you're using the z-value. If you're not given the population standard deviation, or you're simply given data from which to calculate the standard deviation, then you're using the sample standard deviation, and you have to use the t-distribution, the student distribution. Same format, but different critical value. This comes from the t-distribution table. If you're given a alpha, a level of significance, then you divide that level of significance in half in order to select the proper t-value, and that's it. That's how you distinguish between when you use these two equations.